the Prime Minister also has to speak to the country on this matter. If we are to believe the Gleaner story of today on the headlines, it is clear that the government just doesn't get it. The concerns expressed in that article suggest that, according to this unnamed spokesman for the Prime Minister, it suggests that the main concern is about the valuation of PetroJam that will have effect on its possible divestment. That may be a concern. I will say it is certainly a concern, but it is not the only concern, nor even the main concern in the minds of the People's National Party. There seems to be no concern expressed by Jamaica House for the hundreds of millions of dollars of taxpayer money that was stolen from PetroJam. Imagine that situation when you're cutting people off of paths for a little money. When the health centers don't have drugs. When the schools don't have equipment. There seems to be no concern about the dishonesty that has been discovered at the highest levels of government that have brought shame and disgrace to the reputation of the country. A country with a reputation for corrupt behavior does not attract investment. It is a key factor that business people consider, and this is not helping the country. Yet we don't hear that concern expressed from the unnamed spokesman for Jamaica House. In fact, there seems to be no awareness at Jamaica House that corruption saps the confidence of the public in the political institutions, and that it attracts criminal elements in a country already overrun by crime. I wonder if the Prime Minister is unaware that the whole government is getting a reputation for corrupt behavior, and that it is not possible for him to properly remain silent in this matter. The country needs to know and to hear from him.